This video is for education purpose only. Welcome to Artist Digital Trading Tips. Thanks for watching our channel. If you like the content, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. For free trading tips and signals, follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description. Before we start, here are some best trading tips for day traders. Trade on perfect signals only. No trend, no trade. Trade must be within market strategy. Only do 10 trades per day. Today we'll trade from 65 to 102. I have already put my first trade, and so my balance is at 73. We'll trade with $7, that is 10% of our balance. We trade on our normal signals, upper trend and lower trend. Sorry I've not been available to upload my trades. Remember, my trades were done some time back and recorded, so I'm preparing them as lessons for interested traders. We'll trade on our normal signals, upper trend and lower trend, shooting star and hammer. I had done these videos, but now I have to put them with audio. Please study them so that you can understand how to trade with this strategy. So we are waiting for our perfect signals so that we can put our trade. We will try to reach $100 today. Remember to always trade on 10% of what's your balance and don't overtrade. So we see a hammer here that didn't work, and remember today market is not so good. You might have to wait a while for perfect signals. Remember to always study the market before you do your trading, otherwise you will win today but lose all the balance you want tomorrow. So you see a shooting star forming here, but it's not perfect on USD CHF. If it forms, I call at 32 seconds. So here it is forming on USD CHF. So I waited for the next candle. It's still at the same place. I missed that trade. So patience is very important when trading. You see a lower trend at NZ USD. You see a green candle, then red candles, a green candle, then a red candle went down. So we'll put our trade. It was NZ USD. Yes, we put our trade to lower. We're almost late. We lower at 32 seconds. Yes, we put it on time. So we wait. You see red candles, then a green candle, then 3 red candles, a green candle, then the next candle went up to the lower band of the Bollinger Band. And guys, we might win our trade here. It is lowest trend. So guys, we won over that trade. So we are at 79 now. We wait for another perfect signal. When trading on lower trend, remember to check whether the RSI is at the stochastic oscillator is at the lower band. So if a lower trend continues, you can continue trading on it at NZUSD. So we see a hammer forming here at GBP USD. If it forms correct, we will call at 32 seconds. Guys, let me call anyway. It is red. Sometimes the red candle works. Sometimes a red hammer works if the market is perfect. So I put my trade to higher at 32 seconds. Let's see, guys. Yes, it's reversing. A hammer is it is one of the best to use if you are continuously losing, because it has 80% win rate. So if you are not good with the other signals, you can use only hammer and you will win almost 80% of your trades. But one of the biggest challenges when trading online, so yes, we want that trade, is over trading. If you trade too much, you'll definitely lose. So we want that trade. We are at 86. So never ever over trade. So we see GBP USD. We see we had the chance to make another trade at GBP USD for the new shoot perfect hammer that formed, but we didn't. So NZUSD, the lower trend is continuing. We see a green candle, then a red candle, so we put our trade to lower. One problem, however, we are late to check whether the stochastic oscillator is above the red line, but I guess it will turn around. $28. So you remember, you can always sell before it is finished, because this is a digital market, not a binary market. Yes, and guys, we won that trade. We are at 93. I think we have one more trade. We are at 15 minutes so that you can see the chart clearly. Euro USD, there's a shooting star forming. There's a hammer forming, sorry. If it forms correctly, we'll call at 31 seconds. It didn't form correctly. It didn't form correctly. NZUSD, the trend was a lower trend, but I think it is reversing now. We have a long green candle at the bottom. So we wait green candle, then if you see a green candle, red candles, a green candle, then continuous red candles after the green candle, and the red candle goes to the lower band of the Bollinger Band. You put at 32 seconds, it will be a definite twin because it is lower trend strategy. In our previous video, we explained the lower trend and the upper trend strategy. Kindly check. And also, if you're interested, you can register for the upcoming course. You can log on to our website www.artistdigitals.com for updates on when I publish new material. If you want to understand the upper trend and lower trend, check our last video. It is clearly explained. You see it forming at AUDCAD as well. So we don't do at the first one because the stochastic oscillator might reverse, but if it continues to a next signal, we will take our trade as per lower strategy. Yeah. So we need one more trade. Remember to always trade with 10% of what's in your balance. If you trade with more, it's easier to lose all your balance. So I wait for one signal so that I can finish my trading for today. Remember, I recorded this on February. It's not live as I upload this video. It's just for you to understand how to read candles and how to win in your day trading. So remember to be patient and wait for your perfect signals. If you trade on perfect signals, you'll never lose. And if you take trading as your business, you only need to win roughly 10 or 5 trades per day and you're good. Because as your balance grows, you increase the amount you trade on. So we are waiting for one more signal. We see a lower trend starting here. We saw red candles along the lower band of the Bollinger Band for Euro USD, then a green candle, then after the green candle a downward red candle. That is a signal for lower trend. When you see red candles forming along the lower band of the Bollinger Band, then you see a green candle, then after that green candle a red candle, then from there it is a continuous lower trend that will continue for a while. So you put your trend to lower on the next red candle at 32 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17. But remember to always trade on a perfect market. So learn how to read the market, whether it's good for trade. Because if market is not support, you don't have market support, these signals will not work. Guys, you won that trade. You're at 99. Oh, so now we have one more trade to get to 100. So you see a signal at AUDCAD, a lower trend as well. You see a green candle, then red candles, then a green candle, then a red candle that went to the lower band of the Bollinger Band, and the next green candle. If the next candle goes down, we will put our trade to lower at 32 seconds. But remember, you can sell when you think it won't reverse. If your trade reverses, you can always sell before the end so that you can minimize loss. Right, and yes guys, we won that trade and we got to 106, and now we stop our trading. Remember to always stop your trading when you achieve your target. Follow us on Instagram and also subscribe on our channel and click the bell icon to be notified every time we do a new video. If you like the video, comment and let me know what you'd like me to cover about online trading and binary options and forex trading. Cheers, happy trading.